Hey, what's up everyone? Trent here at Precision Transmission. We've got us a 05 GMC Denali all the way from Arizona. This is our second customer from Arizona. I mean, we do get a lot of travelers off the road, but since we have started this YouTube page, we're getting a lot of people driving the vehicles to us before they start having major problems and getting them fixed, so they don't have trouble in the future getting a hold of a transmission shop that doesn't know what they're doing. So just wanted to show y'all guys a little bit of underneath one of these things. We're going to be replacing the rear main seal on this one. It has a rear main leak. These things are pretty tight. We'll let that truck go by. Yeah, these things are pretty tight, snuck up in there, not much room, I mean, at all. I mean, everything is in close quarters, most definite. And this is an all-wheel drive. Got our drive shafts marked. About to start really pulling this thing apart. We've got a couple things already done, couple bolts out, but we'll get, oh hey, looky there. I'll give that to a customer if he even knows it's there. Look what we got. We got us a nice socket. We'll give that back to the customer. It might not even be his, who knows. But we'll get this thing out a little bit further, so y'all guys stay tuned. We'll start ripping some parts off. We are halfway done with the job. We've got our converter. I don't know if you can see that. But there it is. Unbolted. Almost fell. Glad I didn't. Got our transfer case. One bolt holding. About to pull that bad boy down. Fluids drained. We've got our U-joints checked on our drive shaft. We were able to pull down one side of our exhaust, so we didn't have to actually pull down the other side. I did loosen it from the manifold so we could have our up and down on the transmission. Other than that, everything's looking pretty good. Got a rear main seal leak. We'll get that fixed once we get the transmission out, but y'all stay tuned and we'll have that down on the ground. And boom, just like that, transmission's out, and like magic, it disappeared. Master has already taken it back to do some work on it. We're going to be getting a teardown video on that shortly. All of our connectors look really good. That is our biggest thing. We want to make sure all of our connectors look good. Rear main seal looks like we got a little wet right there behind the flex plate, so we'll be definitely taking that off. We'll also be checking out our seals for our transfer case, making sure everything looks good on it. Checked our U-joints out on the drive shaft. Everything looks good like that. Everything looks good on the rear end. Pinion looks to be leaking, so we're gonna call a customer and see if he wants to fix that while we have everything out. It's easy to do, so $20–30 fix is a lot easier than having to pull everything back out and do it twice. So here at Precision, we like to do things one time and one time only. So y'all guys stay tuned. Teardown coming on our Arizona 2005 GMC Denali. Y'all need anything, give us a shout at Precision Transmission. Have a great day.